don't sound healthy.
No. Got a little love line to her.
Just a little.
Something wanting to come out. That Jeff Ward?
Where?
Just got a hard top.
Oh, he's got a hard top.
Yeah. Fucking gator.
That man is fucking crazy. When you need parts for anything, he's the one to talk to.
Oh, is that right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Him and that other guy with the girl in the black shirt.
Yeah.
He fucking whipper. They fucking scrap everything.